So today I'm going to show you how to change your CashTag username, and we're going to be actually doing this in real time on our iOS device, keeping in mind that your Android device might have the settings in a few different locations. Now, what we're going to want to do is here on our main page is look towards the top right hand side with your profile icon or your profile letter. Tap over here. And this is going to take you to a brand new setting over here. And you can actually see we currently have our CashTag with the $sign here. And we can actually click underneath that with our edit profile button. Now from over here down this section, you're going to actually see where it says your CashTag. And there's going to be this little arrow you can tap onto. Now here is where you can actually go ahead and change your CashTag, and keeping in mind that if it has already been taken, it won't let you continue and have it set to that new one. So go ahead and change that CashTag, and once you're all ready, click on set and you will be good to go with your new CashTag. Now I got more to teach you when it comes to utilizing Cash App, and I'm going to go ahead and do you a favor and toss up the next video right over here on screen to keep on learning more when it comes to using Cash App.